I want to say a thing or two about the West Indies ODI team this evening. Not this particular team in England, but recent West Indies 50 overs team. They have been the worst performing of the three formers. These players don't know how to play 50 over cricket. They get caught between playing Test cricket and between playing T20 cricket. Them either play a shatter ball or them block and block till them block up the innings. The West Indian batters don't calculate and play game situations and game moments in 50 over cricket. They have themselves as boundary hitters, not realizing that in 50 over cricket, a runner ball is 300 runs. So technically, they don't need to go all guns blazing to post a decent score. T20 different. A runner ball is 120 runs, which is not a decent score. So automatically, more shots have to play in a T20. So even this theory that because we are so good at T20 cricket, we should break down the 50 over innings into 2.5 T20 innings, not realizing that the kinds of risks relative to the power plays and the shorter boundaries in T20 are all different for 50 over cricket, and that they have time to be more patient, calculating and take less risks. But they don't want to hear that. And that is why the West Indies have to suffer the indignity of playing against Ireland and Zimbabwe and Kenya and Afghanistan, etc., to try and qualify for the World Cup. And that's because the West Indies are at their worst in 50 overs cricket. Brilliant!